so welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new, and if you are new, it would mean so much if you guys hit the subscribe button to join my YouTube family and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I drop a video like this. But today I'm doing another DIY face mask. You guys seem to love these videos, but this time I decided to do 2-ingredient, easy DIY face masks that you can make straight from home. So I'm gonna share with you a few of my favorite easy face masks, and if you guys like this, thumbs it up, share it, it always helps me out. And yeah, on that note, let's just jump right into it. These are the 4 DIY face masks that I will be sharing today. Like I said, each of these face masks only require 2 ingredients, so they're super simple and easy to make, and all of them target different problems for the skin, so I will get into that right now, starting off with the first face mask, which is the Cacao face mask. All you're going to need for this is just some organic raw cacao powder, and then you're going to need water. All you're going to need is a small bowl, and then I just put equal parts of raw cacao powder, which I will link everything I do mention down below, as well as a cashback site. So if you order anything online, signing up with this cashback site and using it will give you some money back. But like I said, everything will be in the description box, and I also put in equal parts of water. You want to make sure you mix it together, and you want to have a thicker paste. Of course, before applying any sort of face mask, you do want to test patch, so I always like to test patch on a part of my hand before putting it all over your skin, because of course all our skins are different, like I say in all these videos, and you want to make sure that nothing will react with you. All these face masks are face masks, however, that I use. But once you do have your mixture, you're just going to apply it all over your face, of course avoiding your eyes, and you can keep this on for 20 minutes before going ahead and rinsing it off. But cacao is one of the food's highest in antioxidants, which block harmful free radicals. It heals wounds, it promotes hydration, and all of these are really vital for younger looking skin. So it's going to just make your skin look youthful and dewy and feel amazing. The next face mask is a honey and turmeric mask. So all I did is took my bowl, and then I just put half a teaspoon of turmeric, and then you're going to put about 2 teaspoons of your honey into the bowl, mix it all together to get your paste. And you don't want to keep this mask on for too long, as turmeric can stain the skin. So for this face mask, I only let it sit on my skin for 5 to 10 minutes, of course avoiding your eyes when applying it. But turmeric has amazing anti-inflammatory property, it has amazing antibacterial properties, and it really reduces skin inflammation, pigmentation, blemishes, and helps reduce acne. I actually did a whole video around turmeric life hacks, which I will link above right now, and I will have my life hacks DIY playlist in the description box for you guys. But the honey as well in this mask is incredible for the skin due to its antibacterial properties and antioxidants, and it also helps to moisturize the skin. So I really enjoy this, especially since I do struggle a lot with dark spots on my skin and acne scarring, and I just find it really helps with that. The third face mask is a cucumber and aloe vera mask. All you're going to need for this is just some cucumbers, but I blended my cucumbers until it was liquidy and kind of like a paste consistency, and I just put that into a small bowl. And then to finish it off, I put 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. This will really help give it a thick consistency, and then you can go ahead, mix it together, and then apply this onto your skin. With all my face masks, as you can see, I've been applying it with a clean brush. I just find it's less messy, and I prefer applying my face mask with a brush than my fingers. But once you apply this onto your face, you're going to let it sit for 15 minutes before you go ahead and rinse it off. This mask is amazing because it's an excellent refresher, plus it really helps to treat blemishes, open pores, and reduces eye wrinkles. The cucumbers really help to restore the antioxidants in your skin, and it's a great remedy due to their high water content, thus making it extremely hydrating for your skin. Cucumbers are also a source of several compounds that really fight inflammation and aging. So if your skin is super dry or irritated, this is just really cooling and refreshing on the skin. I actually also did a whole video around aloe vera hacks, which I will link above. There are so many benefits to aloe vera on the skin, and it has been seen to really help also with blemishes. And for the final mask, you're just going to need some coffee grounds and coconut oil. And this is a great exfoliation and firming mask. So all I did is I took 1 tablespoon of my coffee grounds and then I put that into the bowl. And I took about 1 tablespoon of the coconut oil and I put that into the bowl as well. So you want equal parts, and then mix it all together, and then you can use this on your skin. So what I did after mixing it all together is I applied it onto my skin as normal, like a mask, of course avoiding my eyes, and I left it onto my skin for 5 to 10 minutes to let it sit on for 5 to 10 minutes. Then I just took my hands and gently rubbed in circular motions, and this is going to really be great as an exfoliant as well. So it's great also to use this not only on your face, but you can also use this on your body, such as your legs or your arms. It has so many benefits. The coffee has anti-inflammatory properties, and it helps increase collagen production, leaving your skin smooth. Many companies now have began using coffee or caffeine in beauty products because of its tightening effects. And the coconut oil's molecular structure really allows for quick absorption of moisture, so that this face scrub is really great to use on oily or acne prone skin because the oil does not linger. So overall, this is just a really great exfoliant as well. So when using any of these masks, I usually typically just like to use a mask once a week, especially with an exfoliant. You don't want to over exfoliate your skin, of course. But once I'm done with any sort of mask, I always go in with a moisturizer, and you guys know I love my Aveeno Daily Moisturizer, and I apply it all over my skin. Like I said, I will have everything linked down below for you guys, so definitely go check out the description box. And then your skin is just going to feel amazing, glowy, dewy, and just so smooth. I hope you guys enjoyed all of the face masks. I will link my DIY and life hack playlist down below, like I said, and I will also link all my other DIY face masks down below. So if you guys want to check that out, you can also check those for even more DIY face masks. That is all for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. I will link my other previous DIY face masks in the description box for you guys. I will try to link as much as I can in the description box as well. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. I do upload every single week. And on that note, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!